I'm going to show you how to book your Ziton ZP3 training step by step.
You can either press on the Ziton ZP3 training at the top in the header or go down and press Get Started. This is the Ziton ZP3 training page where it explains what is involved with the training, what it includes, and then down at the bottom you'll see the available dates. Click on the dates that you want and then scroll down. You could either click on Book Now at the top or Book Now at the bottom. And then you can see there the date is selected and also the time that it starts. All you have to do is click on Next. Now you just fill in the data fields, including your name, your email address, your phone number, and most importantly, the number of participants you want to take part in the training. And also, you can fill in any additional message in your company name. You can see the amount has now been calculated on the right hand side and just click Book Now. In the secure payment screen, you can either use the express checkout of PayPal or GPay, or you can just fill in the data fields and press Continue. You can choose to pay by credit or debit cards or by PayPal. If paying by card, fill in your card details and then your billing address details. Finally, click Place Order and Pay.